Hello and welcome to this video about caring for and maintaining snake plants with their unique and attractive appearance. Snake plants are a popular choice as houseplants. In this video, we'll go over some simple and effective strategies for caring for and growing your snake plant. The first thing to consider when caring for a snake plant is choosing the right soil. Snake plants require soil that can absorb water well and prevent excess moisture. For snake plants, a soil mixture consisting of compost, potting soil, and perlite is suitable. Proper watering is another important aspect of caring for a snake plant. Overwatering can damage the plant, so it's important to only water it when the soil has completely dried out. When watering, make sure to water the entire soil and then drain the excess water out of the pot. Additionally, adequate lighting is crucial for the growth of a snake plant. Avoid placing the plant in direct sunlight, as this can burn the leaves. Instead, place it in a spot that receives bright, indirect light for most of the day. Another benefit of snake plants is that they are relatively low maintenance. They can withstand a wide range of temperatures and humidity levels, making them an ideal plant for beginners. One thing to keep in mind is that snake plants can become top-heavy as they grow. To prevent them from falling over, it's important to use a sturdy pot with good drainage and to repot the plant as it grows. Another way to keep your snake plant healthy is to occasionally wipe down the leaves with a damp cloth. This will remove any dust or dirt that may have accumulated on the leaves and will also help the plant absorb more light. Finally, it's worth noting that snake plants are also known for their air purifying properties. They are able to remove toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene from the air, making them an excellent choice for improving indoor air quality. And that's it. With these tips, you'll be able to keep your snake plant healthy and thriving. I have explained how to propagate Sansevieria in a video whose link is provided in the description. You can also use this video to increase the number of your Sansevieria plants. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening! Please like this video and subscribe us.